you are doing really great. So, welcome back to My English House Online Academy. And today we are going to have an amazing lesson. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to sing together the Hello Song. Ready to sing the Hello Song? Yes? Let's go. But before, I'm going to ask my friend, Mr. Husky, to sing with us the Hello Song. Let's go.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm wonderful.
I'm good. I'm good.
Great.
I'm great.
I'm
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired.
Tired.
I'm hungry.
Hungry.
I'm not so good. I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I'm not so good.
Not so good.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, everybody. It was amazing. Great job. Nice singing. And thank you, Mr. Husky, for the beautiful singing. Thank you. Okay, great job, everybody. So let's get into the lesson. Let's go. Next activity that we are going to do together is singing and counting together. So we have to count together from 10 to 20. From 10 to 20. And to practice this, we're going to sing together very beautiful song, counting from 10 to 20. Are you ready to sing with me? Ready? So let's go. Let's count together from 10 to 20. Let's go. For this, we are going to sing. Let's count from 10 to 20. 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 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's count from 10 to 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 20. Swing your arms. Shake your hips. Stomp your feet. Clap with me. Clap, clap, clap. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's count from 10 to 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 20. From 10 to 20. Let's count from 10 to 20. Okay, well done, everybody. Great. So now we are going to repeat one more time together all the numbers. So let's repeat together. 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20. 20. Now let's repeat all the numbers, but very quickly, all together, okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, everybody. Perfect. So don't forget to practice all the numbers. For this, you can use just your fingers. Your fingers will help you to practice all the numbers really, really well. Good job, everybody. And here we have some flashcards with the numbers. So let's repeat them together one more time. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and the last one, 20, 20. Good work, everybody. Yay! Very beautiful practice, and if you will take at home one sheet of paper and one pen or pencil and practice with your mummies on writing all the numbers, starting from 10 and finishing in the 20. So let's start with the first number, 10. I write number 1 and 0 to make number 10. The next number, 11. For 11, I'm using number 1 and number 1. 10, 11, 10, 11. The next number is number 12. We write number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. And we have here 12, 10, 11, 12. The next number is 13. For it, I'm taking number 1 and number 3. And I get 13. 13. 13. The next number is number 14. 14. For number 14, I'm using number 1 and 4. 1 and 4. The next number is number 15. 15. Number 1 and 5. 15. 15. The next number is 16. 16. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. 16. The next number is 17. 17. 1 and 7. 17. 17. The next number we will make is 18. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. 18. The next number will be 1 and 9. 19. 19. And the last final number is 20. We have number 2 and 0. And we have 20. Okay, good job, everybody. So let's repeat together one more time all the numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Which one is your favorite number? Which one is your favorite number? My favorite number is, let me think, 14. 14. This is my favorite number. And which one is your favorite number? Okay. Try to write these numbers at home. Let your parents help you. And practice on reading the numbers. Hello, everybody! I'm so happy to see you and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to make some interesting recipes, and we are going to start with the first recipe. That's gonna be delicious, incredible fruit salad. Fruit salad. It's just perfect for the breakfast because it's going to give you a lot of energy. You will be very, very energetic and healthy. So let's get started with the ingredients. So what kind of ingredients do we need to make our delicious, healthy breakfast? So first of all, we will need some fruit. What kind of fruit I'm using? The first fruit, that's gonna be banana. A banana. You know the banana very, very well. So the first ingredient, that is banana. Banana. Great job. The next ingredient that we are going to use, that's gonna be an apple. 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 So we have banana and apple. Very beautiful and delicious green apple. The next fruit that we are going to use, that's gonna be an orange. 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 Yes. So we have 3 fruit today. We have banana, we have apple, and orange. Let's repeat together. Banana, apple, orange. Banana, apple, orange. One important question to you. What do you prefer? Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like oranges? Do you like oranges? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Great. So we all love apples, oranges, and bananas because they are very, very delicious and healthy and good for our body. The next ingredients that we are going to use, that's gonna be one yogurt. One yogurt. Any yogurt that you have. One yogurt. Do you like yogurt? Do you like it? Yes, I love yogurt too. Yum, 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 yum. They are so delicious. And the next thing that I'm going to use, they are the cereals. I hope that you like cereals. I love them. The cereals. Here I have chocolate balls. Chocolate balls. Delicious cereals. And the last ingredient that I'm going to use, we need a little bit of protein to have our muscles big and strong. I'm going to use almonds. Look, here I have almonds, nuts. So the almonds I'm going to use to make our delicious breakfast. Do you like almonds? Do you like them? You do. That's fantastic because they are so healthy and delicious. So today we're going to make together very, very healthy and delicious breakfast. So let's get started. Now you know all the ingredients and we can get into the cooking process. Let's get started.
The ingredients: banana, apple, orange, yogurt, almonds, cereals.
So here you can see one more time all the ingredients. Orange, an apple, banana, yogurt, almonds, and the chocolate balls, the cereals. So this is it. This is all the ingredients that we need to make our very, very healthy and delicious breakfast. So I'm taking a bowl, and here I'm going to make our breakfast. And we will need a big knife. Here I have my knife and my cutting board. My knife and the cutting board. And I'm starting with the fruit. First of all, I'm going to wash them fruit. So don't forget that we need to wash all the fruit. We have to wash them. We have to wash them to make them clean. Very clean. Yes? We have to wash them as well as we have to wash our hands. So now I'm going to start with banana. I am peeling the banana. I'm taking off its skin. I'm peeling the banana off, taking off the skin of banana. Yes, and now I'm going to cut the banana into the circles, One circle, two circles, three circles, four circles, five circles, six circles, seven circles, eight circles, nine circles, 10 circles, 11 circles, 12 circles, 13 circles, 14 circles, 15 circles, 16 circles, 17 circles. Okay, here we have a pile of banana, a lot of banana. The next thing that I'm going to use, that will be the orange. But I have to take off the skin. So we have to peel it to make it look nice and beautiful. And of course we know that we cannot eat the skin. So I'm peeling the orange. Yes, taking off all the skin. So you do the same. It's so important, essential to do that. If you can't, your mommy will help you to peel the orange, or your brother or your sister, and you can make this recipe together. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, here we go. Yes, I've peeled it. And we have an orange. I put all the bananas aside. We don't need them. Now, and I'm going to cut the orange into small pieces. So first I cut it half. Then I will cut it into small slices like this. Very small slices. And then I just change the direction and cut it again. 1, 2, 3 into 3 sections. And we have orange in here. Delicious orange. The second part of the orange. The same 1, 2, 3. Then I change the direction. 1, 2. Here we go. And we have lots of delicious orange, banana and orange. The last ingredient, I'm going to start with the apple. Cut it half, only half. And take out all the unnecessary things that you have inside of the apple, like this. Just clean it. Yes, when we have the apple clean, we are slicing it in the same way as we did with the orange. The same way as we did with the orange. Just slice it like this. Okay, fantastic. We have sliced it, and now let's make small cubes. Yes, here we go. Very nice. And we have slices of apple. So we have banana, orange, and apple. Banana, orange, and apple. We have cut them. And now I'm going to show you the result. How does it look like? Here you can see slices of apple, cubes of orange, and circles of the banana. Look, these are small rectangles. These are small triangles. And these are small circles. Circle, triangle, and rectangle. Okay, so what is the next step? I'm going to show you what we are doing next. So, I'm taking the yogurt, and I'm shaking it really, really well. You shake it so it becomes very liquidy. When it's very liquidy, we are going to pour this yogurt into our bowl. Here we go, the bowl with the yogurt. Yes, that's we put on the base. What is next step? The next step, we are going to put, first of all, some chocolate balls. Some chocolate balls on the bottom. We don't need too much, just a little. Just maybe 2 scoops of chocolate balls. Yes, here I'm going to show you how does it look like. Here we have yogurt and chocolate balls. Yogurt and chocolate balls. What's the next step? We are going to put all the fruits on these sides. Okay, here we have yogurt and chocolate balls. Now let's put the fruit over there. I'm going to use my hands because it's the most convenient. You can use the spoon. Be very careful and gentle. It's going to be fresh fruit salad for the breakfast. Very delicious and healthy breakfast. So now I'm putting the bananas to our healthy bowl. Okay, bananas. After bananas, I'm going to put some apples. Yes, some apples. It looks so tasty. You will see in a moment. So tasty. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to show you how does it look. Okay, beautiful bananas, apples, and delicious oranges. What is the next step? The next, I'm going to spread all over the surface our almonds. The nuts. They are very, very healthy, and good for your body. If you want to be healthy, you eat a lot of nuts. Okay, and the last ingredient that we are going to add, that's going to be a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, here you go. It smells delicious and looks delicious. Inside we have yogurt, chocolate balls, we have oranges, we have bananas, we have apple, and we have almonds. I hope that you will enjoy this delicious and very, very healthy breakfast. Well done. So everybody, perfect job today. Thank you for being with me at my kitchen. Today we have cooked amazing, delicious, and what is the most important, very, very healthy breakfast. Very healthy breakfast. So here I have my healthy bowl with the nuts, with apples, with oranges, bananas, yogurt, and a little bit of cereal. And this breakfast will be so delicious and so healthy. It will give you a lot of nutrition and you will grow big and strong. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for being with me at my kitchen. See you next time. Do not hesitate to try this incredible recipe at home with your parents. Have very delicious and nutritious breakfast. So goodbye, everybody. See you. Bye-bye. Good job, everybody! Today you have done so many activities. And don't forget to repeat all the numbers from 10 to 20 at home many times. And as well, you can write your numbers on the sheet of paper. Just use the pen, take the sheet of white paper or whatever the kind of paper you've got at home, and practice writing all these numbers. And don't forget to choose your favorite one, the number that you like very much. It's so important. And now, when we are in the end of our lesson, let's just repeat the numbers one more time together, okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, everybody. It's so important for us to know all the numbers that we can count from 1 to 20. Let's try to count together from 1 to 20. Let's do it. So, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20. Good job, everybody. Perfect. I hope that you all know how to count from 10 to 20, from 1 to 10. But don't forget to practice counting. So good job, everybody. Excellent job, everybody. You worked so hard today. And now, unfortunately, it's the time for us to say goodbye. But see you very soon. So now, let's sing together the goodbye song. Let's go.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands,
I can clap my hands,
I can stamp
my feet.
I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Perfect, everybody. Goodbye. See you next time. Good job today. Bye.